If I had 2 dozen roses and an old bottle of wine, if I really hung the moon, would it change your mind?
Well, guys, got a Jerry down here. Look at that tail. Great squirrel here. Really excited to eat this. That was an intense spot and stalk for a squirrel, so super excited about this.